like the whole entire top floor
So
and living room, dining room. Is it kitchen as well? One?
in the dining room, specifically what I would do in your situation, if scraping that ceiling is going to be really challenging, I would build perimeter boxes around the outside. Okay, I would do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pot lights. Okay, and then on the inside, I would do crown holders. And for the cost of scraping the ceiling and doing all this work, right, you can add boxes and pot lights and a little bit of crown molding and make it look, see how that box is dropped down a little bit? Make it look like that with crown molding on the inside. That ceiling treatment will be probably dollar for dollar the same cost to you, but the value that that will drive to make it feel like a luxury kitchen or a luxury bedroom or a luxury master or whatever